Hello everyone, welcome to Ultimate Diecast. My name's Tyrone and today we've got some Johnny Lightning, and I'm thrilled to say that we've got some not quite variants, maybe birds of a feather. We'll get to what I mean in a second. This is 2021, yes, 2021 copyright. Off-road, never heard of it. It's part of the Street Freaks series. 1966 Shelby GT350 off-road. Why would you take a Mustang off-road? If it's built like this, you might. Here's the little blurb about it. One of 3,386. And the back, it's got the little thingy, what's it about the White Lightning. There's the others you need to get. Quite intrigued about the wagons. Got a thing about wagons at the moment. I like the Black with Flames. I'm not sure if they're calling that Black with Flames, but I am. I got a hearse Black with Flames the other day, or the other week now. Time goes by so fast. Good luck. Let's just get this sucker open. It's got a card with it. I like these cards. Not collecting them per se, but I don't throw them out. Oh yeah, look. Cadillac ambulance, it's actually a hearse. Station wagon with curtains in the windows, it's a hearse, baby. Black with Flames, I like it. I like it very much. Put that over there. So what have we got here? Metal on metal. Oh, we've got an opening hood. Not wide opening hood. It's the first and last time that'll be opening in my town. License plate. Should have got my little magnifying glass on that. You can probably see that. This is a rough looking thing. Mud on the tyres. The mud looks like it was actually put there by this thing driving through the mud, which is a change from a lot of the mud effect vehicles. That's done quite well. Splashing effect up the side. Windows are perfectly clean though. That doesn't seem right. And the back end is a bit too clean, but what do you want? And it actually rolls. Just. Tyres are massive. Birds of a feather I alluded to earlier. This isn't an off-road vehicle, it's a demolition derby vehicle, which I'm hot on the heels of getting as many as I can. I'm not quite comfortable with the fact that I like them, and yet like them I do. So I've turned a corner in my life. So they were those ones. The Street Freaks will continue with. Completely lost my train of thought, realizing I've changed. Frankly, red, black and white is the colour. I think that's alluding to the designer. I'm not sure. I think I've seen this car before, this truck before, and it was on Red Room Diecast. Bog showed it. I'm pretty sure that's where I saw it. I was intrigued. I saw it. I bought it. That's the back, same as the first one. Yeah, demolition derby. Off-road. Okay. I'm getting in tune. Hiya. So I've got it. No, do I? Yes, I've got it. I was thrown by the convertible. It's a convertible, but it's got the roof up. Got it. Hearse. Got it. Not sure yet. and I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Wow. It feels like, did I even say what this is? Yes, I did. Oh, not sure, we'll see. I had it in my hand. 1973 Chevy Cheyenne 10. I think it's Cheyenne. The card. Looks good. These cartoony type cards, especially this one, maybe not the Mustang one, but this one reminds me of cards I used to collect as a kid. You used to buy, were they cards or stickers? Maybe stickers. You used to have to buy a packet of chewing gum. Disgustingly strawberry flavoured powdered chewing gum, but you got some stickers with it. Huh. I pulled that down, not really expecting it to pull down, but here we are. Massive blown engine. Chevy bow tie on the grill. That's actually pretty cool. And birds of a feather. I've got another. It's the girls' car. Bad girls go faster. What do you think? I kind of like them. They grog on me. Imagine that doing a wheel stand. Seems very unstable. But what do I know? Let's get to something a little more sedate. This is the 1971 Buick GSX. And yeah, read all about it. Limited to 7,298. Authentic factory colours. Oh no, this is a different pack. But more and more. I don't have that one. It's easier just to point out the ones I don't have now. What a strange thing, because Johnny Lightning are almost non-existent in Perth at the moment. There was a small flash of them, and I bought everything I saw instantly. And now, no. So it's all private sellers now. So, yeah. So this is part of the spoilers range. Hood. See that while you can. There it goes, forever. Yeah. It went down well, but not convincingly. And birds of a feather, did I say that? I think I did. Here is it without the spoiler. Depth to the collection. Johnny Lightning. Here. Yeah. Same wheels. Same wheels. Same everything except paint job and spoiler by the looks. Yeah. And colour of interior. But yeah. I'm very pleased with that. Very pleased. Yeah. They look great together. Stunning. Where do we put those? Let's create a little semicircle. We'll start a small fire in the middle when we're done. And last but very not least, limited edition, one of 1752 allegedly. This is 2017 copyright, Richard Petty. Historically accurate vehicle and graphics, or vehicle graphics. Yeah, if it was a historically accurate vehicle, it would have a running engine in it, and that's impossible. That's the man there, apparently. You can see that, can't you? Yes. Freeze frame if you wish. Yeah. I've heard the name many times, but being a non-American, don't know a lot about it. I've seen this livery in magazines, and that's about as far as it goes for me. Maybe the odd racing documentary, a little bit of a, that's blue, a little bit of a documentary fanatic, or when I get the time I'll watch one over a movie, especially if the wife's out. It's beer curry documentary, beautiful. Tyrone's got a smile on his face. Number 43 all round. It's a nice looking car. It's a lot of blue, isn't there? Yeah, imagine the noise and the smell and the heat. And back to the birds of a feather, not the same, but they're both Chargers, different year. Can't get enough of the one on the right. I love the lines and the stance. Incredible car. Yeah, almost looks like the boot comes up. I want to try it now. No, of course the boot doesn't come up. You mad? Look at that. Don't they look good together? They can go in the... We're not actually going to start a fire here, so they can go in the area where the fire pit would have been had we started a fire. Getting it all symmetrical, so it's pleasing to the eye for the end shot. A little bit lopsided, but that's alright. Nothing wrong with lopsided. Fantastic. What do you think? Johnny Lightning. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.